Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the solved problem based on the coupled circuit. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic solved problem coupled circuit problem number 5. Now we'll see the statement. For 3 coupled coil as shown in the diagram, calculate the total inductance. So 3 coils are connected in series. The value is 6 Henry coil 1, coil 2 8 Henry, coil 3 10 Henry. We need to find the total inductance. For that formula we need to see whether it is series adding or series opposition. 3 coils are there, we need to find the series aiding or opposition. These are all the mutual inductance value. Mutual inductance between coil 1 and coil 2 is 4 Henry. It is denoted as M12. M12 refers mutual inductance between first coil and second coil. Similarly, second and third coil M23 is 5 Henry. Similarly, first and third coil M13 is 2 Henry. Now we know the formula is L1 plus L2 plus 2M or minus 2M. If series adding means plus 2M, series opposition means minus 2M. So now we need to find whether the coils are connected in series with aiding or opposition. First we will take the coil 1 and coil 2. So that is determined by the dotted end or undotted end, whether the current enters dotted end or undotted end. From that we can find whether it is series aiding or opposition. If the current enters in both the coil at the dotted end is called aiding. If the current enters undotted end in both the coil, in that case also series aiding. If one current enters dotted, another current enters undotted means series opposition. So this is the basic. So both are dotted or both are undotted is a positive aiding. One is dotted, another one is undotted means it's opposition, series opposition. So based on that we'll see that. See here the current enters in the dotted end in coil 1. But here current enters in undotted end. Current leaves at the dotted end. So both are series opposition, right? Enters in dotted end in coil 1, enters in undotted end in coil 2. So that coil 1 and 2 are coupled with series opposition. So M12 is negative, right? Series opposition. Similarly coil 2 and 3. So here the current enters in undotted end, but here the current enters in dotted end, third coil. So these two also opposing, right? M23 also negative opposing. Then coil 1 and 3. See that the current enters at dotted end, coil 1. Here also current entered at dotted end. Both are current enters in the dotted end. So M13 is positive, series aiding is added together, right? M13 is adding. So by inspecting we found out that M12 is series opposition, M23 is series opposition, M13 is series adding. So based on that we can find the total inductance. So coil 1 and 2 are connected in series opposition. So negative, M12 is negative. Coil 2 and 3 also connected in series opposition. So M23 is negative. Coil 1 and 3 are connected in series adding. So M13 is positive. Right. So now we'll go to the formula. So the total inductance LT is L1 plus L2 plus L3 minus 2 M12 because M12 is series opposition, minus 2 M23 because 2 and 3 also series opposition, plus 2 M13 because 1 and 3 is series adding, right? So these two are subtracted and this is added together. So L1 value is 6 Henry, L2 is 8 Henry, L3 is 10 Henry, minus 2 into M12 is 4 Henry, minus 2 into M23 is 5 Henry, 2 plus 2 into M13 is 2 Henry, right? So by simplification we got 10 Henry. By these three are added together and multiplied and added. After simplification we got 10 Henry. So the resultant total inductance of this combination is 10 Henry. So in this video, we have calculated the total inductance of 3 coils connected in series. The basic formula is L1 plus L2 plus or minus 2M, 2 into M, plus for series adding, minus for series opposition. That is decided based on the current enters in dotted or undotted end. So by inspecting this diagram, we found that which are the coils are series adding and which are the coils are series opposition. Based on that, the formula is entered, the value entered in formula, and we calculated the total inductance. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.